Hello everyone, this is Teacher Maricar of Camplish.com. Today, we will continue answering the activities from the lesson that we've discussed from our last video. Those activities will help you to understand more about the article and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. So, we will have 3 activities for today. The first one is the reading comprehension. The second one is writing practice. And the third one is summarizing practice. So, let's start to the first activity, which is reading comprehension. Are you ready now? Okay, let's begin. But before we start, it is good if you have a piece of paper so you can write your answer from this activity, and then we will answer it together. Okay? In this part, I'm going to read the question and also the choices, and then I will give you some time to think about the correct answer. Okay, so let's start to number 1. What do comets travel around? Is it A, the moon, B, the sun, or C, Asia? Number 2. Why do comets sometimes crash into planets and disappear? Is it A, because their orbits are not regular, B, because their orbits are very regular, or C, because they are so big? Number 3. It is very hard to observe blank. Okay, so you're going to find out what is the missing phrase here. Is it A, planets in the sky, B, airplanes in the sky, or C, comets in the sky? Now, how about number 4? We can see Halley's Comet blank. Is it A, every 5 or 6 years, B, every 17 or 18 years, or C, every 75 or 76 years? Okay, I hope that you get the right answer from those questions. Alright, so let's answer it together. Let's begin on number 1. So, what do comets travel around? The answer is B, the sun. Okay, so let's see the sentence saying that the answer is letter B. A comet is an object in the solar system. It travels around the sun like the planets. How about number 2? Why do comets sometimes crash into planets and disappear? So, the answer is A, because their orbits are not regular. Because comets are usually very small and their orbits are not regular, they cannot be planets. Okay, how about number 3? It is very hard to observe blank. So the answer is C. Comets in the sky. It says here, it is very hard to observe comets in the sky. Alright, how about last number, number 4? We can see Halley's Comet blank. The answer is C. Okay? Every 75 or 76 years. Here, every 75 or 76 years. Alright, so we finished the first activity. So now, let's proceed to the second one, which is the writing practice. Okay, so we are going to complete the sentence with the expression from the passage. Alright, so let's begin now. The question is, what is a comet? A comet is an object in blank. So, what do you think is the correct answer? Alright, so the answer is the solar system. A comet is an object in the solar system. Okay, I hope you got it right. So now we can move on to the last part of the activity, which is summarizing practice. So in this part, we are going to fill up the missing part, okay? We will find out the missing word for this paragraph. I am going to read it, and then I will give you some time to think about the right word for this paragraph to make it complete. Okay, so let's start now. A comet is an object that travels around the blank. It is usually much smaller than blank, and its blank is irregular. We can observe some comets in the sky. So try to think for the answer in this part. So let's answer it now together. Okay, a comet is an object that travels around the sun. It is usually much smaller than planet, and its orbit is irregular. We can observe some comets in the sky. So, this is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of Camplish.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye.